In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva Magic Studio. We'll walk through a simple example where you remove a background from an image, then use Canva's Magic Media tools to create a brand new background and place your subject in front of it. By the end, you'll understand the basic flow and feel confident experimenting on your own. Start by opening your design in Canva. On your page, click on the image you want to work with. This could be a photo of a person, a product, or anything else you'd like to place on a different background. When the image is selected, you'll see a toolbar appear above it or at the top of the screen. Next, look for the Edit option in that toolbar and click on it. This opens up the editing panel, where Canva gives you different tools to adjust and enhance your image. In this panel, find and click on BG Remover. Canva will automatically analyze your image and remove the background for you. Give it a moment to process. Once it's done, you should see your subject isolated on a transparent background. If needed, you can refine the edges using the built-in erase or restore brushes, but for now we'll keep it simple and move on. Now that your background is removed, you're ready to use Magic Studio features. Go to the left-hand side of your screen and click on Apps. This is where Canva keeps all its extra tools and integrations, including Magic Media. In the search bar inside the Apps panel, type in Magic Media. When you see Magic Media appear as a result, click on it to open. Here, you'll be able to create a new background using text. In the prompt box, type a clear description of the background you want. For example, you might ask for a modern office, a beach at sunset, or a simple pastel gradient. The more specific you are, the better the results tend to be. After you type your background description, generate the image and wait for Canva to create a few options. When the new background image appears in your design, click on it to select it. Then, send it backwards so your original subject, with the removed background, appears in front. You can do this using the position or layering options, usually labeled Send Backward or Send to Back. Adjust the size and placement of both the subject and the background until they look natural together. To finish up, follow any on-screen prompts Canva provides. These might guide you through confirming your choices, trying alternative versions, or applying final tweaks. And that's the basic workflow for using Canva Magic Studio to remove a background, generate a new one, and combine them into a polished design.